Ever wondered how Wealthsimple, with its sleek app and automated investing, manages your money? You know, those effortless portfolios and fractional shares? Where does it all happen behind the scenes? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the mystery: which bank powers Wealthsimple? Now, you might think Wealthsimple is some kind of magical money box, operating independently. But the truth is, every investment platform needs a strong foundation. Think of it like this: Wealthsimple is the beautiful storefront, but a bank is the sturdy building beneath it. So, which bank is this secret partner? Is it a giant, household name? Or a smaller, more specialized institution? Let's unravel this together. While Wealthsimple itself doesn't directly disclose the specific bank it uses, we can piece together some clues. Custody: Wealthsimple, like most investment platforms, uses a custodian. This is a highly regulated entity responsible for safeguarding your investments. Think of them as the vaults where your assets are securely stored. Regulations: Canadian securities regulations require investment platforms to use a regulated custodian. Wealthsimple's focus: Wealthsimple emphasizes simplicity and technology. It's likely they partner with a bank that aligns with this focus, offering robust technology infrastructure and efficient processes. Given these factors, a few potential candidates for Wealthsimple's banking partner emerge. Large Canadian banks: institutions like RBC, TD, and Scotiabank have the resources, regulatory compliance, and technology to support a platform like Wealthsimple. Specialized custodians: companies like BNY Mellon and State Street are renowned for their custodial services, offering secure and efficient solutions for investment firms. Partnering with a large Canadian bank could offer advantages like widespread brand recognition and a strong customer base. However, it might involve navigating the complexities of a larger organization. On the other hand, a specialized custodian might provide a more focused and efficient service, tailored specifically to the needs of investment platforms. The reason for the secrecy surrounding Wealthsimple's banking partner is likely a combination of factors. Competitive advantage: revealing the bank could potentially benefit competitors. Client focus: Wealthsimple prioritizes the user experience and may want to avoid distractions from the underlying banking infrastructure. Negotiated agreements: the partnership agreement might include confidentiality clauses. It's important to note that this is speculation based on industry knowledge and publicly available information. Wealthsimple's actual banking partner may not be publicly disclosed. Ultimately, the specific bank used by Wealthsimple is less crucial than the overall security and reliability of the platform. Understanding the underlying infrastructure of a platform like Wealthsimple can provide valuable insights. However, the most important factor is choosing an investment platform that aligns with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.